Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change email address on a Bybit account. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll start our video. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in bybit.com and get into the official website. Now from over here, make sure you are signed in as well. Then simply go ahead and tap on this profile icon on the right section. Once you have done that, the menu options gonna pop up. From over here, tap on this option of settings. Now here in the settings section, you're gonna find plenty of options. From over here, simply switch to this option of account and security. And now you will find details regarding your account, which will include profile picture, email authentication, as you can find in the bottom section. From over here, if you go to your simply right side, you will find this option of change email right away. Go ahead, tap on that particular option. Now it will simply ask you to enter the new email of yours. Enter that, provide the verification for it, and you will be able to change your email likewise. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.